I don't like that shirt. I don't like this haircut. And I don't like your pants. These comments make you feel bad, right? Today, I'm here to talk about self-esteem and going from putting each other down to lifting each other up. What is the impact of our words on someone else's self-esteem? That's a question we should all ask ourselves. We should all also ask ourselves the question, what is the impact of someone else's words on my self-esteem and confidence? I have a little definition to explain the difference between self-esteem and self-confidence. Self-esteem is how you feel about yourself overall, how much positive regard and self-love you have. Self-esteem develops from experiences and situations that have shaped how you view yourself today. Self-confidence is how you feel about your abilities. It can vary from situation to situation. I may have a healthy self-esteem, but a low confidence about situations involving maths, for example. When you love yourself, your self-esteem improves, which makes you more confident. When you are more confident in areas of your life, you begin to increase your overall sense of esteem. If we want to lift other people and ourselves up, we need to understand how we perceive ourselves. Do we have trust issues? We certainly do have some, but our trust issues are not an excuse to drag other people down. How should we react when someone else drags us down? I will give you a potential response today. When someone hurts you with words, you can choose to be assertive to this person. So, first, expose the problem. Tell them what is going on. Then, tell them how you feel. And finally, think about a solution together, so that this person also understands why you felt hurt. I know it sounds cliché, but communication is key. Now that you know how you could potentially react when someone drags you down, you can start to analyze the impact of your own words on others. Before you start saying things that may hurt someone, take a moment and think. How would I feel knowing my issues if someone told me this? Then think, how can I say what I want to say without putting this person down? Because I'm not here today to tell you that you cannot say anything, because comments and criticism can also be constructive and useful, but there are ways to say things. When you have a negative comment to give to someone, give also a positive comment, so that this person gets better at what she's doing. Sometimes we also want to make comments just to make comments. Ask yourself, do I really need to make this comment right now? To give you a concrete example of how words affect your self-image, confidence, and esteem, I did a little action at school. On Compliments Day, on the 1st of March, every student and teacher from my school had a chance to get a compliment ticket that I made with my teachers to give a compliment to their loved ones. When they got a compliment ticket, they could plant a seed, because a compliment is a good seed in someone else's self-esteem and confidence. In the end of the day, I asked some people how they felt about it. Some of them told me it was fun because they don't often think about giving compliments and how their compliments affect someone's humor. It brings joy to someone's day. We often forget the influence we have on others. You will not always think about those questions and tips, and it will happen because it happens to put people down, even if it's not on purpose. I'm here to tell you that you don't always need to do that. You can also make a change and lift people up and help them to grow and be a better version of themselves, and that will make you a better version of you. Train yourself to be positive. I'm telling you all these things not because I do them every day, but to raise awareness, so that step by step we will start understanding each other better. I also had compliments on Compliments Day, and it felt good. It felt good because it was a little unexpected. The only thing I was focusing on that day was other people, and that's normal because I was organizing it. But the compliments I got gave sense to this whole TED Talk because I experienced the impact of words.